Welcome to the best picks. The best toilet flange repair is probably one of the most frustrating plumbing problems a homeowner can face, but don't despair. A broken toilet flange can lead to leaks, an unstable toilet, and costly repairs if left unaddressed. This video will guide you through selecting and installing the right repair kit to fix your wobbly toilet and prevent future water damage, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. We will review the top products on the market, comparing features, ease of use, and overall value, so you can choose the perfect kit for your specific needs. Number 5. Toilet Flange Repair Kit. Is your toilet flange damaged? Don't worry, this kit makes repairs easy and affordable. It's designed to save you time and money. It works on 3-inch or 4-inch cast iron, PVC, or ABS toilet flanges. This versatile kit handles various materials. Made from super strong aluminum alloy, it won't rust or corrode. The split ring design ensures a secure and lasting repair. With proper preparation, installation takes just minutes. Check out our helpful installation videos on YouTube for a step-by-step guide. This kit was designed by a plumber, for plumbers and DIYers. It's the perfect solution to avoid costly flange replacements. It's designed to not restrict water flow. Say goodbye to leaks and hello to a secure, reliable toilet connection. What we like. It's made of super strong aluminum alloy, ensuring it won't rust or corrode. Plus, it doesn't restrict the flow of your existing pipe. If you need a durable and quick fix, this is the one for you. What people say. This repair flange worked perfectly and was quick and easy to install. I used it to repair a 4-inch cast iron toilet flange. One of the hold-down bolt slots was completely gone and the toilet was rocking. Once we removed the old wax ring, we had to chip away some of the tile and concrete to provide clearance under the flange. After that, the repair flange slipped right on. I installed the jacking screws and snugged it up to the old flange. I reinstalled the toilet and now it's rock solid. Just finished installing this product over around broken PVC flange. Installation was straightforward, even for a complete amateur like me. Had I brought in a plumber to address the problem, I would have been looking lots of expense, and I'd have been worried about the quality of the job. The reason I decided on this kit was because it clam shells around the top and bottom of the original flange. The first one I had installed was just a single ring that installed on top of the flange. The second reason I chose this is because it is aluminum stainless steel set screws and will never rust away. The fact that it clamps around the top and bottom makes it better than the rest. Number 4. Danco 10672X HydroSeat. Is your toilet rocking or leaking? It might be a problem with the flange. This simple fix can solve that. The Danco HydroSeat is designed to repair damaged toilet flanges, easily fixing those annoying leaks and wobbles. It's designed to fit many standard toilets. Its flexible construction adapts to various pipes and collars for a secure fit. Use it with a wax ring for a watertight seal. Its SureSeal technology prevents sewer gas from entering your bathroom. The self-centering gasket makes installation a breeze. It grips the toilet horn for a complete seal, and the included bolts make seating it simple. Each kit includes the HydroSeat, screws, washers, and nuts for a complete and easy repair. What we like. This solves those annoying wobbly toilet problems and creates a perfect seal to prevent leaks and smells. If you are looking for a reliable solution for a wobbly or leaky toilet, this is your best bet. What people say. I am a licensed master plumber, and this works every time if it is properly installed. Overall, an excellent product. Super easy to install. My toilet flange was completely broken and installing a new flange on top of it would raise the toilet too much, so I decided to remove the flange from the iron pipe completely. Then I looked up all the toilet flange repair products and found that many of them are either too thick or won't fit. All I had to do was to drill 4 holes into the tiled floor, put the toilet gasket in between, and it sets the toilet at the perfect position and height from the floor. The iron construction of this product is very sturdy and will not bend or break easily like other toilet flanges do. Number 3. PASCO 21013 Flange Repair Ring. Say goodbye to broken toilet flanges. This durable metal ring makes repairs quick and easy. It's the perfect DIY solution. It's built to last. The solid metal construction ensures a long-lasting, reliable repair. You can trust it to hold up to daily use. Simply install it around the body of your existing flange. No special tools are needed, making this a simple project for any homeowner. This ring is designed to replace broken closet rings, restoring your toilet to its original functionality. It's a cost-effective alternative to complete flange replacement. It's compatible with most toilets, making it a versatile solution for various plumbing needs. Check your model for compatibility. This simple repair saves you time and money. Get your toilet back in working order quickly and easily. Also known as LASCO 33-3738, this versatile ring is your go-to solution for a quick and easy toilet repair. Find it under either model number. What we like. It features durable metal components and a solid ring design for lasting performance. It's also a super easy DIY project, perfect for those who want a simple fix. If you value ease of installation and durability, this is the right choice. What people say. One of my toilets was wobbling due to a broken plastic insert flange fitted to an ancient cast iron fall pipe. I cut the damaged flange out, placed and bolted down the PASCO repair flange, reseated the toilet. Now it is rock solid, all issues fixed. Thick steel that allowed me to screw into my concrete floor. Worked great. Anchored the toilet well. Fits right over the old flange. Holes line up perfectly. Secured it to the slab with 4 concrete screws. Took 10 minutes to install. Worked like a charm. Number 2. MENNTY Toilet Flange Kit. Is your toilet rocking? This kit makes repairs or new installations a breeze, fitting both 3 and 4-inch pipes. No more plumber needed. It's simple to install, even at or above floor level. You can reposition it without ruining the seal, saving you time and money. It creates an airtight seal, preventing leaks and unpleasant odors. The high-viscosity wax ring ensures a perfect fit every time. Everything you need is in one box: flange, wax ring, bolts, washers, and more. It's ready to solve your toilet troubles. The flange measures 6.88 inches in diameter and 0.43 inches thick, while the wax ring is 5.4 inches in diameter and 0.92 inches thick. We stand behind our products with exceptional customer service. Choose us for a smooth and worry-free experience. What we like. This kit is designed to fit both 3 and 4-inch pipes and is incredibly easy to install, even without professional help. It also ensures a perfect seal to prevent leaks and odors. If you need a simple, effective solution for your toilet flange, this is it. What people say. I bought this to replace the bolts of one toilet in one of the bathroom at home. I did the job by myself and everything was perfect and easy. Now the toilet is fixed and does not move anymore. Like new. Works perfectly. Easy install. I had put tiles on top of old ones. This was perfect solution. Number 1. Clam Flange Repair Ring 135-4500. This innovative 2-piece design makes toilet flange repair simple and effective. Say goodbye to leaks and hello to a secure, reliable seal. It's designed for ease of use, even for DIY enthusiasts. The 2-piece design allows for precise placement and a snug fit. It provides a superior seal, preventing water damage and costly repairs. It's built to last, ensuring long-term performance. This is made from high-quality materials for lasting durability. It's a reliable solution for years of trouble-free use. It's the perfect solution for fixing leaky or damaged toilet flanges. It's a simple and effective way to restore your toilet to its optimal condition. Installation is straightforward and requires no special tools. You can easily repair your toilet flange yourself, saving time and money. What we like. Its innovative 2-piece design makes installation a breeze. It provides a reliable repair for your toilet flange. If you prefer a simple yet effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. So I changed the toilet downstairs to a new Toto and thought I would do the same for the upstairs bathroom. The old toilet was installed 20 years ago after the rug was replaced with tile. Unfortunately for me, I did not use an extra thick wax ring like I should have, and hence 20 years later, after pulling the toilet saw was left with a much disintegrated toilet flange. After much research, I found this flange and was convinced this would solve my problem. This worked like a charm and very happy with the results. My old flange was rusted bad when I went to change the toilet. I cut it off and replaced it with this. Worked perfect. My toilet is held firm and no leaks. Like the other reviews, I had a rusted flange. This is awesome due to the fact that it is in two pieces and basically clamps around the waistline. Easy to install and should last a very long time, being stainless steel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.